Okay, folks, how to import photos. I'm going to select my photo bin. All right. So over here, I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go to Input. And for this case, I'm going to import media, which will probably take a few seconds to actually pop up. If not, I may have to try it again. Because, again, don't want to go through source browser. I want to go through import media this time. Make sure I got that selected. And third time's a charm. Import media. And there it is. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that one in. Shift, shift. Bring all of these in. Kind of spooky. Yeah, I'll bring that one in too. So I'll bring in that entire range right there. I'm just going to click Open. Actually, no, I got to go to Options first. I'm sorry. So go to Options, and then you go to Options again. All right. What we want is resize image to fit format raster. Do not modify, treat as legal range. And we are not going to select auto detect sequentially numbered files. All right. What I did do was this was originally set to 30 frames, or 30 seconds rather. So I'm just making that 10 seconds. All right. Now I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click Open. And in a very short period of time, all of this is going to populate. All right. So this is relatively simple. So we got that going on. All right. The other thing I'm going to do is, because otherwise it just gets confusing, I am going to make this ascending. All right, so that way we start with the first one that we have, which is this one. And we'll end there. Now, for this, there are a couple of things that we can do. And this is actually kind of important for other tools as well, which I'm going to cover. I've selected all of my images here. I am going to go over to Script View. All right. As I was saying in earlier videos, you really want to advance by either 12 frames or 15 frames, depending on whether it's 24 or 30 frames per second as your frame rate. So being that this is 24, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now that I have everything selected, now that I am in Script View, I am going to hit 2. And then I'm going to hit 4 twice. And then I'm going to mark in. All right. Now, because I want these about 3 seconds each, I'm going to make this 72 frames. And then mark out. And by doing that, by being in Script View, you'll notice now that I have a mark in of 12 seconds, or 12 frames rather. And then I've got 3 seconds and 12 frames as a mark out. Okay. So now, when I just go back into standard view, and I bring all of these into the timeline, first of all, it's all sequential. Let me get this out of the way, otherwise we won't be able to see it. First of all, it's all sequential, and they're all just about 3 seconds long. All right. So, very good shortcut. All right. Well, that's going to be it for this one. Stay tuned for the next.